Hi everyone! Happy Easter! I'm Amy. Before I start today's recipe, I just want to give a quick update and thank everyone who has contacted me with their well wishes and prayers. As some of you may know from my social media post, I was in a hospital a while back. I ended up having emergency surgery for what turned out to be endometriosis. I'm doing and feeling so much better now, but I'm just sorry that I wasn't able to do any videos. I just want to thank everyone who contacted me and give a big shout out to Riverside Hospital. The staff there was amazing. Okay, on to the recipe. Today I'm making Easter carrot cake bread. This is a quick and easy recipe that makes one loaf. It's a delicious bread that's full of carrots, walnuts, and raisins. So let's get started. Roughly chop enough walnuts to make 1 cup and then set aside. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this together and then set it aside. Lightly spray a 9x5 loaf pan with non-stick cooking spray and then line it with parchment paper and set aside. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a mixing bowl, add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of sugar. Beat this together well. Then add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat this together. Now grate enough carrots to make 2 cups firmly packed. Then add your grated carrots, your chopped walnuts, and 1/2 cup of raisins. Stir this together until it's well combined. Now add your flour mixture and stir together. Pour the mixture into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Now just bake this in the oven for about 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove from the oven and let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove the bread from the pan and let it cool completely. To make the cream cheese icing, in a mixing bowl, add 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now beat this together. Then add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Beat this together until it's creamy. Once your bread is completely cool, evenly ice the bread. To make it festive, you can add different colors of sanding sugar or sprinkles. And here it is, Easter carrot cake bread. This is a yummy treat to serve at Easter or any time. Be sure to store this in the refrigerator, and this can also be frozen. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Happy Easter! Today I'm making Easter bread. Oh, no. Today Once your bread is completely cool, ice it. And here it is, Easter bunny. And here it is, Easter, I want to say Easter bunny. No, Easter carrot cake bread. Oh. And here it is, Easter carrot cake bread.